I received this desk vacuum as a gift, and I honestly didn't expect such a small device to be as effective as it is. When I first used it on my entertainment center, I was actually shocked at how much dirt and debris it picked up. It grabbed way more than I thought was even there. This is a rechargeable mini vacuum designed for desktops, drawers, countertops, and other small surfaces. It's compact, lightweight, and really easy to hold, which makes quick cleanup simple instead of feeling like a chore. The suction is surprisingly strong for something this size. It easily picks up crumbs, dust, tiny particles, and all those little bits that tend to collect in corners and along edges. It's especially useful for areas where a full-size vacuum would be way too bulky or inconvenient. It's also really straightforward to use. Just power it on and glide it over the surface. The design makes it easy to maneuver around objects, decor, or electronics without knocking anything over. Since it's rechargeable, you don't have to deal with cords, which makes it convenient to grab quickly whenever you see a mess. It's small enough to keep nearby so you can use it anytime instead of waiting until you bring out a larger vacuum. Overall, this was a really thoughtful gift. It's compact, easy to use, and surprisingly powerful for its size. If you want something quick and convenient for small messes on desks, shelves, or countertops, this is a really handy little tool to have around.